Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series and today we are going to discuss one string function that it concatenate x. So let's start. So I'm going to create a new measure. I'm going to call it concat state, and we have function concatenate x. Concat function can concat multiple string. Concatenate x function can actually concatenate the row values. So that's what we are going to use, and we are going to use our geography table for this. Geography and geography state. Let's type state. Okay, so let's experiment with couple of ways. So from geography table, let's take region and we call that measure concat state. Okay, so we'll see why these values are repeating, and I can. Okay, so now we see that these values are repeating and we don't want this repetition to happen. So let's go ahead and modify that. So what we can do, we can say values, one of the options, let's try that, and state. Okay, so duplicate values have removed, but it still doesn't look very good because there is, let's give a space. So the third parameter is what exactly you want to do. Okay, so now instead of this, can we use distinct out here? Yes, we can use distinct also. Okay, so this is where you use concatenate. Let's plot it on a card visual. This is sometime you actually need it on card visual or tool tips where actually you can so you can see on the card visual. Now this is all this is basically state wise, this is basically complete overall. So if you look at the tooltip, we can see all the values are appearing here. So this is one way. Let's try one more. Let's try to do it on city. So now we know we can use distinct. So concatenate x, and then let's try distinct geography cities, and then we can call it geography city. Okay, so we can duplicate this page. Let's no. Okay, so let's call it concat city, and what we are going to do is we go here and we have this measure, we call it, let's say, concat city, and now we drag concat city here and we can remove state. Okay, so you can see a lot of values out there. Okay, and we don't need a total out here. So what we can do is we can go to total and remove it. Okay, so looks much better. Let's put it overall cities also here. So we go here and let's put cities out here. Replaced all the cities with single space, and now it's not necessary, we don't have given any space out here, so we can give a space, or instead of space let's give comma this time. So okay, so comma, so you can have any separator which you want. And so this is what I would need to show you in this video. Let us know if you want us to cover any other string function. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.